Let's take a moment to join in one of the most beautiful parts of our practice, our meditation time together, and just allow ourselves to get comfortable and arrive. We arrive just as we are. There's no thing needed. There is no show to put on. There is no thing to hide. There is no thing to be good at. There's just the breath, the moment, the practice. Here we are. With each inhale and exhale, we come home. Home to this moment. Home to love. We feel a spiritual quickening and opening to all of our receptor sites. An opening to receive love. An opening to let love flow through us. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here. We're living in a sea of it. Let my eyes see it. Let my heart feel it. Let my mind know it. Let my being awaken. God is love. I let go of any history, any heritage that says anything unlike that. God is love. This love flows to each one of us right where we are. In this moment, we allow ourselves to do a different kind of meditation this morning, remembering that it's the summer solstice, Juneteenth. So I invite you into a metta meditation, one of acknowledging oneness, acknowledging love, and dedicating it outward to humanity, to the world. So we allow this space to be in reality about our history, to be in reality about our systems, and to stand in our power to generate that which is calling us forth, that which is calling us higher. Breaking through limitations, breaking through dogma, stigma, all the isms. We are aware, and we are aware. So we rest together in the practice of awareness and sending love out to our community and our world. It's from this space that I invite you to pick up peoples. Maybe an area in the world where there is violence and war going on right now. It may be the celebration of Juneteenth. It may be men in our world, fathers. We bless. We send love. We allow the presence of gratitude. Grateful for the presence of mindfulness. And so it is. Namaste.